Hi everybody. The next couple of books that I will place on the blog are ones that are published in Cuba fairly recently and are of note. Mainly the books that are published today on the island are fairly short, fairly broad. They sometimes rehash information and recycle it from old books. But there are a few exceptions, and the one in front of you is one of them, Pataquines y fundamentos de Fa by Rogelio Gómez Nieves. Fairly thick. This was published in 2013. It gives the Pataquines. I don't think it gives the corresponding Odu, but they are narratives that go into their moralistic tale and, why this and that happened. Why does Elegua eat goat, for example? So it is worth picking up. It's fairly comprehensive in the subject matter and also in the orishas that are portrayed. So if you can find it, maybe if somebody is going to Cuba, ask them to keep an eye out for it.